scenery has changed just a little.
Since this morning?
We're in Anchorage, baby! It's hard.
It's hard to do.
Our dress has changed. Well, my dress has changed just a little. So we're headed to Walmart to get our groceries and to get
some tools
and such. And then we are headed up to the property, which will take about 2 hours. And
we have another stop before that.
Where are we stopping?
Kaladi Brothers.
Oh yeah.
Ooh,
we have to stop.
what did we see from the plane?
Oh, we saw Denali, which was cool. That's the first time I think I've seen Denali from the plane, because we don't usually sit on that side. Maybe we did one other time. I don't really remember. But this is my 10th visit, your 9th. So I'm in the double digits now. So I would consider myself an official Alaskan. Just
Not
saying.
until you spend an entire winter.
Oh, that's true. So, okay. Sorry about my hand there. So we will pick up a little bit later.
See you.
Sorry. There's Denali, as beautiful as ever. Wow! Coming into Willow. That's amazing. If I can hold still. That is an incredible view. So by the time we got to the property, it was almost dark, but we had enough time to clear a tree that had fallen over the driveway and shovel some paths to the cabin, shed, and outhouse so we could start working early the next day. Chili dogs out here. I'm going to have to put this camera away because my hand's going to get real cold soon. But sure is pretty. It's beautiful back here. So this is our view of Denali. It's really hard to see to get the camera to focus on it. Plus my hand is freezing. But it's really pretty out here. It's super quiet. We're standing on the edge of the bluff right now. There's the trail we came down. The part of our other part of our property is the bluff. So this is just a hill. It's pretty cool. And we're thinking about naming our place Hidden Meadow. Thanks, Lori. Or Moose Meadow. But we didn't see a moose, so we might have to call it Hidden Meadow.
But we found moose prints.
Well, invisible moose meadow. So we measured out where the cabin's going to be. This is the front porch where these sticks are. That's the view out the back door. So what we're trying to do is angle it so we're not seeing the outhouse, the other cabin, and the shed. It's going to be a wood shed. We're going to have storage behind the cabin. That's the trail that goes off the back. And this will be our view on the front porch. So if I'm on the front porch, hold on, let me get over there. Or looking out the living room window, we'll be able to see the sunset over there. Be able to see the sunrise behind us. There's a little ravine right there. And we're going to try to clear out a lot of these spruce trees so that it's mostly birch forest. So That's what it should look like. If we go around, and we're on the, I don't know that we're going to have a back porch, but we're going to have a side porch that will view down the trail. Are you scouting out which trees you want to cut down? Yeah. And you're going to cover all this wood? I think so. We've got a new toilet seat for the outhouse. And when we come back when the weather's nice, we're going to fix the outside up a little bit more. But right now, it's just kind of looking a little rough. Sure is pretty. Sure is quiet. And you see sitting out on the porch with a cup of coffee? Me too. I can definitely find you with that coat on. You're not going to get lost. Yep, you can't even throw a snowball, can you? Okay, morning outhouse tour. It's temporarily fixed up. We got lights on it, which will come on tonight. If I can get up this little hill here. Undo my lovely bungee cord closure. Put a new toilet seat on. We've got a nice waterfall picture for inspiration for going to the bathroom. We have toilet paper holders, little stumps for candles and whatnot. These are my toilet paper holders for the wall. I got lights in here too that'll light up so you're not in the dark. Miss Cindy's out there warming herself by the fire. That's the outhouse tour. And it's stinking cold. So it's 7 a.m. It's really, really dark out here. Really dark.
Hey,
Dark.
it's clear.
It's clear. There's stars. I told you it was clear.
Okay, so first thing first is let's see if we can see the Aurora.
Stop for a second.
Okay.
Hold on. Ready? Turn out the lights.
I don't know how. It's dark.
You don't know how to turn the lights out. Okay.
I was trying to, but they don't go out.
Okay. It's dark. There's stars. I don't know if you can see them, but
You can show when we get to
hopefully
the
we
property.
don't see any moose on the road. But we're
What?
only going.
We're not going 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, we're going slow.
We can see moose on the road.
Start of an early work day. Got a canoe. Got a ladder. All that stuff is frozen to the ground. Good job. Sure, beautiful work. Oh, there's a key laying right there on the ground. Hold on. Look at that. We moved the dresser in. We got it full of stuff. We got it all swept out. We got a little seat for doing projects. We got stuff hanging on the wall. Got our snow shovels. We did a good job yesterday. Alright. Well, it's not horrible in here as far as temperature goes. Cold. Once I get busy, it'll be okay. And about 20 minutes later, no, maybe a half hour later, we got semi-organized. We got the stove. That stove's going to end up being a planter. It can't be used for, or maybe we cook outside, but we definitely can't use it inside. Big old bag of trash. somewhat organized. It is way too cold to be filming, so see you later. Well, I think we're official. Well, we're not official Alaskans. We're unofficial official Alaskans. Been to the transfer station to dump trash.
$2 a bag.
$2. But it was $4 for us because we dumped a futon and a really, really big bag of trash. But Mark was very nice to us. So that was exciting.
Easy peasy.
Yep. So we gotta figure out where we're going now.
You want coffee or you want
Coffee.
food? All right. Coffee
And a sweet treat. Having a yummy bite at the Flying Squirrel. What you eating, Miss Cindy?
Orange cranberry pecan or muffin.
Orange cranberry pecan. It's pretty tasty. It's pretty tasty.
Very tasty.
And I have a birch syrup cappuccino, right? Just hanging out the Flying Squirrel. So here's our local shopping establishment, Cubby's Marketplace.
About 20 miles north.
DVD movies, subs and wraps, ATM, liquor, groceries, meat, deli, IGA, healthcare.
Got it all.
Ice, produce, and supposedly they have good pizza, so that's why we're here.
Let's go check out the pizza.
Okay, the Cubby's pizza reveal.
Well, this came from recommendation from Daryl, and
Thanks, Daryl. Wow, it's like steaming.
Here. Let's see how good it is.
We're supposed to pray first. Thanks, God.
I lost my cups.
Although it was a little chilly because it got down below zero a couple of mornings, we really enjoyed our November stay in Alaska. We were only there 4 days, but we were blessed with beautiful views of Denali 3 of the 4 days we were there. One of the best parts of our trip was getting to see the northern lights for the first time. God painted the sky in an amazing way. We are so blessed to have this property, and we really love our little piece of Alaska. This is Alaska Dreamer signing off until next time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.